The market is full of uncertainties. We are interested in getting into new market and a new platform. Hello, I'm Joyce.
Hello, I'm Coco. Today we are very glad to take this opportunity to show you new 3 series of door handles.
Launching new product on the website. This is the first time in the GMB history we've ever shared any of new products at this early stage of development.
We are trying to make a special shape with smooth lines and intend to be easy to install that everyone can operate. So, let's jump into new series.
We decided to focus on new combination of square and cylindrical, square and trapezoid, square and rectangle. This handle made from zinc alloy and aluminum material. We use large tonnage die casting machine to produce it. It will make sure the handle internal structure is compact, beautiful appearance, greatly improving the operation stability, solid and durable.
Just the opposite, pick customers' brain and try to see things from their point of view. The most striking thing about a door handle is the shape. Of course, we are able to make different finish according to your requirements. Imagine your favorite door handle match lock body and hinge finish. Some of them are true challenges that you need to overcome in each step of production process.
If you want to find out more about amazing new product, please hit GMB website for more information.